everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 Super Sport Chevelle. Pretty car, guys. I actually bought 3 cars from this gentleman out of Tennessee. Older man. He's owned this car, I guess, for 30 plus years. Again, original 138 Super Sport car. So it is a true SS, big block 396 underneath the hood, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. Older restoration, guys. And I'll say, if you're looking for, a fresh resto with fresh paint, this is not the car for you. This has got older paint. Don't think the paint's horrible, but you can definitely nitpick the paint. Like he said, it's been done for 30 years. He said there's not a lot of miles on the car. There's only 81,000 original miles on the entire car. But it is an older restoration. Again, still great car. If you're looking for a good, honest, nice driving car, you're going to love this car. It hits the road good. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, as you walk around it, you can nitpick the paint, guys. Good looking car. I've driven it multiple times now. It really hits the road good. Shifts out good. Nice and tight. It's got a good running big block 396 underneath the hood. It's nice underneath. Trying to get this video done here before the weatherman said that we only got about 10 minutes till the rain comes. I mean, you see the blemishes up by the Super Sport emblem. I mean, you can nitpick the car. But again, real 138 SS in a good car. It's got the rally wheels with the Goodyear Eagle STs all the way around it. Now, it is an era correct 396. If you know anything about the stampings on the front of these blocks, they were ugly. They were hand stamped. That front block has a hand stamp on it. I can't make it out. I don't think anybody's going to be able to make it out. But it is an era correct engine, we know. But the stamping on the front's terrible. Dual feed 4-barrel, Weiand intakes, got headers, Harrison radiator with a shroud, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. See, like I say, it's got some blemishes in the paint that you can nitpick. Again, I'm not saying that the paint's horrible, but we sell so many of these cars sight unseen. I just want you to know you're not getting show paint. Sorry, I didn't like the jams here, and that's the guy's fault. I'm just rushing them out here because we got rain for the next 4 days. Fun. Factory bench seat, stock shifter, stock steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct Fischer Body seat belts in it. Headliner looks great. Factory gauge car with a knee knocker tach. All that stuff worked. 81,000 original miles. Factory Delco AM/FM radio works. Blower motor works. Parking brake works. Dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear axle. You know, just like I say, just a really good car. It's all spackle coated, the trunk like it should be. Older man's had it, kept it well preserved. Like I say, older restoration, something that if you're looking for something fun to drive, something to bang the gears, I think you'll have a blast in it. New sill plates. And seats look good. Really no complaints on the interior. I know the original owner's manual's in the glove box. Again, factory AM, FM, Delco radio works. Good running, big block. Maybe a little bit of cam he's got in there, nothing crazy. Hit the road good, ships out nice. Tach works. Again, all your gauges works, hold good oil pressure. Everything seems to open and close real nice. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. And I can feel the sprinkles coming just in time. Good sound.